there. Today I'm going to discuss about the basic food groups. There are different kinds of food that we should eat to stay healthy. Do you know that food is something that provides us with nutrients? Nutrients are substances that provide energy for activity, growth, and all functions of the body, such as breathing, digesting food, and keeping warm. It's also the substance that help in the repair of the damaged tissues of the body and for keeping the immune system healthy. Have you experienced skipping meal in a day? What happened to you? Yes, you were right. You became weak and your mental activity became slow, not to mention that you look pale. That's why we need to eat and we should eat properly. But how do we do that? We should eat food of different variety and we should maintain a balance between them. Now let me tell you the three basic food groups. There are Go Foods, Grow Foods, and Glow Foods. Let me start with Go Foods. Go Foods are energy-giving food. Examples are grains, bread, noodles or pasta, cereals, and potatoes. These foods are rich in carbohydrates. From the word itself, go, it means it fuels our body with the energy to do things like run and play. If we do not eat enough Go Foods, then we'll feel exhausted. Moving on, let's talk about Grow Foods. Grow Foods help our body grow bigger and stronger. Grow Foods help build our body's bones, teeth, and muscles. These foods are rich in protein and calcium. Examples of Grow Foods include chicken, meat, fish, eggs and milk, cheese, and yogurt. Now let's move on to the last group, which is the Glow Foods. This food group contains the vegetables and fruits that supply the body with vitamins and minerals to keep the body healthy and functioning properly. Examples are mango, banana, papaya and oranges, green leafy vegetables like pechay and malunggay, cauliflower, and pumpkin. So now that we know all the three basic food groups, we will now learn how much each group should we include in our daily diet. Have you heard of a balanced diet? A balanced diet is where a person is eating the correct amount of combination of grow, go, and glow foods. It's a little something like this, or we can also check out the food pyramid to learn how to have a balanced diet. The food pyramid is a representation of the optimal number of servings to be eaten each day from each of the basic food groups. It allows individuals the flexibility to choose foods and drinks from each shelf depending on their food preferences. It organizes foods and drinks into 5 main shelves which contain 5 categories of food, starting from the most important shelf at the bottom. There are 5 categories in the food pyramid: the carbohydrates, fruits and vegetables, dairy, protein, fats, and sugars. The carbohydrates are also known as grain products. If you remember, these are the Go Foods. Like I said earlier, some examples are pasta, bread, rice, and more. We need carbohydrates for energy. We need this energy for exercise and other daily activities. Fruits and vegetables. An example of a fruit is a banana, an apple, or grapes. An example of vegetables is broccoli and lettuce. These belong to the Glow Foods. We need fruits and vegetables as they provide us with important vitamins and minerals that help to keep our body working and help the immune system. Next is dairy. This belongs to the Grow Foods. Examples of dairy are milk, cheese, and yogurt. Dairy products are important because they contain calcium. We need calcium for strong bones and teeth. They also contain other vitamins that we need for our body. Next is protein. Protein is also belonging to the Grow Foods. Examples of proteins are meat, eggs, and beans. Proteins help our body to grow and to repair. They also provide us with vitamins and minerals and to help build muscles. Next are fats and sugars. Examples are butter, olive oil, and anything sugary. It's important to note that this food group doesn't provide with much nutrition, and we should not consume too much as they contain a lot of calories. We should eat less fats, oils, sugars, and salts. It's important that we keep a healthy diet which includes all 5 food categories. The category at the bottom of the pyramid take up more space, which means we need more serving of this food. The group at the top of the pyramid is for that consists primarily of fats and sugar, demonstrating that you should only eat a small amount of these foods. Each food category provides us with different nutrients, so we need to eat food from all the food groups to get all the nutrients that we need. Our body needs 40 nutrients, which we can separate into these 5 categories, namely the carbohydrates, protein, fats, vitamins, minerals, and water. Okay guys, so I hope you learned something from this video. Please always eat healthy and be safe. Bye!